First, download and install the My Spectrum app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Open the app and log in using your Spectrum username and password. If you don't have an account, create one on the Spectrum website first. Once logged in, navigate to the Device Management section under Services, then Internet and Manage Devices. Select Add a Device or Scan for Devices. The app will scan your network automatically. Choose the type of device you're adding, such as mobile, computer, or smart device. If the device isn't detected automatically, manually enter its MAC address or IP address from device settings. Give the device a custom name and configure settings like bandwidth limits or parental controls. Save your changes. The device should now appear in your list of managed devices. Once a device is added to the My Spectrum app, you can access advanced management features, monitor its data usage, block the device from accessing the internet, or prioritize it for activities like gaming or streaming. If you encounter issues adding a device, ensure it's connected to your Spectrum network and that your router is functioning correctly. Restarting your router can often resolve connectivity problems. For devices that require verification, like some smart home devices, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. If a device doesn't appear in the app after scanning, double-check that its MAC address or IP address is entered correctly. You can also use the in-app chat support or visit Spectrum's website for additional assistance. Also consider potential security vulnerabilities when connecting new devices. The My Spectrum app received security patches related to device spoofing, but you should always enable two-factor authentication for your Spectrum account to prevent unauthorized access. Furthermore, keep your device's firmware up to date to protect against botnets.